This is a project that's been on my mind for a long time. I've got an old Seiko 6105, and the crystal has a tremendous amount of scratches on it. Before I replaced the crystal, I wanted to give one of these polishing compounds a try. And I don't know if I can show this clearly enough, but this crystal is really, really scratched. We've got some big gouges and a lot of small ones too. So I don't know how much this will fix, but let's give this a try. The first thing I want to do is drop the movement out and take off the bezel as well. There are a lot of other projects I've got in mind for this watch, one of them being the little spring pivot. Doesn't really stick up too high, so this spins pretty freely. I've ordered another crown because this crown has come off of the stem, and I've also ordered some new gaskets and seals and things too. But for this evening's project, let's go ahead and drop that movement out, take the ring off, and set up to do the polishing. We've got the movement dropped out. Here's our bezel, and down to the watch. And there are lots of scratches on there. So the way I'm going to try this, I've got this chucked up in a drill press. I've got a slow speed set here. Some folks use Dremels and other faster polishing tools. I think the slower speed for this might generate less heat. It might be a little bit easier for it. So we're going to use the Scratch Genie and see if we can get some of those scratches out. Well, after about 30 minutes of using the little pad on the drill press, it's greatly improved. Those scratches are still there if you catch it in the right light, but it's much improved. It's a whole lot better. I think with another pad, I've worn this one down pretty far, but some more polishing on there might get rid of even more of those. So again, that's an improvement. That's not bad. I still may end up replacing the crystal on this, but this did work better than I thought. Very interesting. Thanks very much for taking a look.